Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This is an after convention video and is the convention of the Bilt, in which some things didn't go right, not quite right for this model. Screw pump has once more shown that it is not an ideal setup, and some people noticed about the wires, but more specifically adhesive tape, and that is not supposed to be there, of course, so I have to replace that adhesive tape by screws. Now I have got a lot of new connectors, well, new at least, replenish of the stock, so that is what I'm going to do, and let's see whatever happens more. So the simplest thing is to first replace all the connectors and then see what I can do about this. Well, with the screencast, let me show you what that it actually does work. So yes, it runs, so that's good. This also works, and the point that I show this is that I had to change laptop, because the laptop that I used previously is very unreliable, as proven during convention and other times. So the laptop that I used previously to record everything, well, my normal videos, I had to reinstall due to some system problems I ran into, and that also means that I had to reinstall all software that I use. Python, fischertechnik, diagnostic software, libraries, camera software, etc., etc., all had to be reinstalled. But that aside, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think, connectors to replace. And guess what I have here? Connectors. So that's one thing to do, aside from the screw pump, and you can see here clearly that there's a gap. And with this one going here and then crossing or bridging the gap, which can be replaced or shifted. Anyway, this is the place where it usually is, and that's not nice. So this whole thing should actually be there, but then again, how to make sure, and now I have to put the camera here. So yeah, and this is better. Right, so with the parts here and the gap here, how do I make sure that it doesn't move? And this is a very small gap. So an ordinary part I already placed in here, but not here, and that's the culprit. So right, back to the connectors. That is it for now. I made some modifications. I replaced connectors, which wasn't a pretty job to do, but it had to be done. I hope I definitely solved the screw pump gap issue, and as you can see, it is working pretty nice. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. Please leave a comment or suggestion. And you can support this channel if you don't do it already via Buy Me a Coffee, Ko-fi or PayPal, and you can also support in the longer term by becoming a patron or member via Ko-fi. Please see under the video for detailed information. If this is going to be continued, I'm not quite sure, but after conventions there's always something to do, so stay tuned. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.